merong resolution si Senator Amy, gusto niyang investigahan po ng Senate yung allegations ng 18 allegedly Marine soldiers.
Well, we'll wait for the reading of the resolution, and let's find out kung saan committee i-refer.
Pero so nung narinig niyo yun, ano yung nakita niyo?
Yeah, I read the affidavit.
Opo.
Ako kasi pag mayroong information in my previous life, this is how I treat any information that comes to my attention. First, yung ano ba yung credibility ng source? And second, ano yung reliability ng information itself? Dalawa yun eh. Kasi kung polluted yung source, it follows. Ito yung sinusunod natin na meron tayong A1, A2, B1, B2, di ba? Yung rating, yung classification ng intelligence information. So, may mga portions doon na pwede na sabihing credible, pero may mga questionable. Number one, ang sinabi lang 805 billion yung napunta, yung pinamahagi o napunta kay Congressman Saldico. Well, from 2023 to 2025, ang total amount ng flood control projects, 1.13 trillion. So kung ang napunta kay Congressman Saldico allegedly 805, that's at least 70% of the total appropriations for the same period sa flood control projects. So puro cost na yung nandun. Saan manggagaling yung napunta kay Bernardo? Saan ang napunta kay Alcantara? Sobra computation. That's my first observation. Second, as we speak, sumulat na ako sa Philippine Navy, Philippine Army, to conduct record check and background investigation on the 18 Marine Philippine Navy and Army personnel. Ang initial information, wala pa, sumulat ako. At saka sa LTO, may initial information from the Philippine Navy na yung iba dishonorably discharged. A number of them were never members of the Philippine Navy. So doon pa lang, makukwestiyon natin yung credibility ng source. If true, kasi media lang ito. That's why I'm formalizing it by way of an official letter to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, attention to Philippine Navy and Philippine Army.
Tama po bang paharapin sila dito, sir, sa isang inquiry?
Well, after all the verification, evaluation, then probably, yes. And ito pa isang observation. The timing, parang nakatiming to, bakit yung ICC ngayon na nakapokus? Ang pinoproject doon is napaka-corrupt ng ICC, di ba? Dahil nilagyan ng $2 million, allegedly, through former Senator Trillanes. Another one, timing nila, bisperas noong Trillion March, yung 40th anniversary ng EDSA. Another observation, parang kung gano'n ang mga pinagbibigyan, parang kulang yung listahan.
Timing is suspect.
Yeah, kasi timing ng ICC confirmation of charges. Ang timing din, yung ngayon, February 25, yung EDSA, 40th anniversary ng EDSA. So ano yung, sa akin kung ako yung mukhang merong political color, not just political color, mukhang merong destabilization na aspect.
So kung destabilization pa, paano makaka-destabilize
Yung timing,
sir?
kasi EDSA ngayon bakit kahapon lumabas?
So parang manggugulo, sir? Yun yung...
Well, kayo, I leave it to your own imagination, but that's my own opinion. Rightly or wrongly.
But you think it's enough to destabilize, sir?
I don't know. Kasi hindi ko alam. Kasi wala namang nangyayaring destabilization ngayon. Di ba? It seems na wala namang, hindi naman na-destabilize
So gustong sirain yung credibility ng ICC.
Kasi bisperas ngayon, kahapon, bisperas ng EDSA, 40th EDSA 1, yung people power. Bakit tinaning kahapon yung, saka bakit sila sa Club Filipino? Symbolic. Kasi yan din ang pinanggalingan ng EDSA 1 natin, di ba?
So kung ganun, sir, na timing is suspect.
Ang sinasabi ko, we will evaluate yung dalawang sinasabi ko, the source of the information, which in this case are the 18 Marine personnel. The second is the reliability or credibility of the information itself, meaning yung contents ng affidavit. which I have already told you, meron na ako nakita dalawang agad na dapat i-explain. 805 billion, that's at least, I think, 71% of the entire appropriations during the same period.
Making it feasible
20
or impossible, sir?
Medyo mathematically impossible kasi meron pang nakuha si na Bernardo, meron pang nakuha si na Alcantara. Ano yung pinasugal ni na Alcantara? We're talking of the same period, ha? Yeah. Tapos ba't binigyan nila ng 5 large maleta si SP Soto? For what? Tanungin natin.
Sir, yung kay...
I'm just wondering, kasi mind-boggling yung when we speak of large maletas, sabi nila 50 million to 70 million. And we computed yung 805 billion. Alam niyo ba kung gaano karaming large maletas? Hawag na yung medium, saka yung paper bag, at saka yung expandable envelope. Large maletas pa lang. Alam niyo kung gaano karami? At least 13,400 large maletas. My God.
So, gustong sirain
No, ito lang siya sabi ko, ini-evaluate ko yung information as well as the source of the information. As I have initially told you, pag may tumating sa akin information, in my previous life, sa law enforcement, sa intelligence, ang una ko agad inisip, credible ba itong source? Pangalawa, credible ba itong information?
So right now, you're in the middle of studying it, sir.
Yeah, I'm evaluating.
Evaluating. Yeah.
Kasi probably, baka umabot sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Diba? So gusto ko rin, meron ka idea.
But for
Bakit?
this,
Well, they presented their case at the Club Filipino instead of bringing it before the committee or the ombudsman or the DOJ. So, kayo mag-isip, anong motive?
for the Senate to have its own inquiry about it.
We need to evaluate first kung it merits, di ba, an investigation, an inquiry. Yun ang, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hi, SB.